said that I'm here for a real reason. So you don't have to lie here. But he was leaving.